Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to give you our late spring update. Um, Obviously, the main thing to talk about is goodness, have we had an awful lot of rain. In fact, I was just checking in the past 2 weeks, we have had 10 days of rain. And that's a lot of rain, which is what's happening then is the lawns are mostly bright green and doing really well and healthy and filling in. Any of those areas that had freeze damage are starting to look much better by now. We are seeing a few fungal issues in St. Augustine and Zoysia, but my guess is that in the next few weeks, we're going to be wishing that we had all this rain back and this moderate weather that we've been having. And so that's really what we need to be focusing in on in the next few weeks is we'll probably start drying out and we'll start having hot weather pushing hopefully just mid 90s as time goes on. Um, and what's more than likely going to happen to the lawns is it's going to be like a light switch where the rain stop and within a week or so you're going to start seeing the lawns stress out because they're not getting enough water. So my suggestion to you is now is the time, if you haven't done so already, to run your sprinkler system, get that checked out, whether we do that for you with our sprinkler techs or if you're doing it yourself. This is a good time of year to be checking that out before all that hot weather that we're pretty much guaranteed to have. The other thing that we'll be focused in on will be we'll have we're spot treating for the summer weeds. That's going to be crabgrass and nutsedge and some of those others that we commonly see over the summertime. And then we're also putting out treatments for chinch bugs and also for grubs. We don't typically see either of those right now, but what we're doing, particularly for the grubs, is putting out that preventative, and then just getting a head start on preventing those fire ants. And uh, assuming we do switch over into that dry time, chinch bugs love hot, dry weather, and so we want to get a head start on preventing those from showing up in your lawns. So that is our late spring update. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also subscribe to our quick tip emails. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.